Alright lovers, another morning here. I got Steve with me. I'm just going to go through 3 options of hip tossing people. It can take a while to develop the timing and setups. For the hip tosses, I want you to use today is like a little bit of a reference of how to build a game. So 2 hip tosses, I'm going to go for 2 grips. I'm either going to go belly or shoulder. If he beats me to the underhook, we're going to go over the top all the way through and hip toss using the head and do like a head wheel hip toss. Excuse me for not using the Japanese names. I'll leave that for all you judo lovers to do. So we're gonna enter in. If he's got a collar grip here, to enter in for the underhook, sometimes I like to come under and all the way over. Now I'm gonna do a little back step. I'm gonna go 1, 2 to back step my hips in. When I do that, I wanna lift him up with my hips, whoop, and the arms will finish off the rest. Let's take down 1. Number 2, when he beats me to the underhook, I still want to control this wrist here. I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to back step through all the way with my hips. I'm going to go 1, 2 with my hips all the way through. And now, holding this hand up to begin with, I'm now going to pull his head and his down to the ground while my hips go up. So I'm going to go head down, shot, hips up. Okay, holding on to that the whole time. Sorry about the stutters. Now, if he bases out, and this will work from both positions, if I get here for the throw and his hips go lower than mine, it's not on anymore. Keep on to the underhook. I'm gonna step in and I'm gonna roll through. When I do, I'm gonna hook his butt with my heel. Watch you up. Hook his butt with my heel, take the ankle, pull directly back to finish immediately, okay? If he wiggles out, then you're gonna have options to start attacking heel hooks and other things as well. From the head wheel, same thing. He bases his hips out from the head wheel. I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna roll. This heel kicks up under his butt. Same thing again. It's on straight away. And remember, if he wiggles out, try and get that knee line out, you can switch to the heel hooks, okay? It's a really nice attack pattern, and you can add oichigari's inside trips and things to that as well. So enjoy. Hip toss, knee bar.